Hello, this is Arduino based smart blind stick circuit. This is DC 9-volt battery, a speaker, and with voice recording module, Arduino voice recording module, ISD 8010. This is Arduino, and this is buzzer, and this is vibration motor, ultrasonic sensor, and water sensor, and flame sensor. This is basically water sensor, and this is flame sensor. Okay, now we will turn on the circuit. The circuit will turn on. Now I will put my mobile on stand. Okay, now let's test this. First of all, I will test ultrasonic sensor, range sensor basically. As soon as obstacle come in front of stick, then buzzer will turn on and vibration motor will also turn on. Let's see. See, this vibration motor turn on. As soon as my hand come in front of ultrasonic sensor, buzzer will turn on and vibration motor will turn on. This is vibration motor. And constant buzzer beep will turn on. Okay, now obstacle is away. Obstacle, as soon as obstacle come in 50 centimeter, then buzzer will turn on. Okay. Now we will test water sensor circuit. I have a water in glass. I will put the sensor in water. Now the water sensor is wet, and 1 second buzzer will on and 1 second will off. As soon as buzzer is on, vibration motor also turns on. Now I will try the water sensor module. Buzzer will turn off as soon as water sensor module will dry. Now we will test fire sensor module. As soon as fire is detected on speaker, the recording playback will play and vibration motor also turns on. Now there is no fire and there is no playback. So this is working of smart blind stick.